Hello lovely audience, welcome back to yet another helpful video from How Logical, and in this video I am going to show you how to make an image transparent into Canva. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. In order to do that, you just simply have to open your Canva application at first, and after opening the Canva application, you'll just simply have to create a new project or open an existing project into Canva. I'm opening this existing Ninja Samurai image, and after opening your project, just simply select the image which you want to make transparent. Then after that, you just simply have to scroll this bottom line until you see the option of transparency into here. Just simply tap into that transparency option and then choose the transparency of the image as you would like. Then after doing this, your image will be transparent. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.